Camellias are in full bloom this time of year in Louisiana. This native of Japan was brought to the southern United States in the late 18th century and has become a staple of the southern garden because it blooms in the wintertime. This evergreen shrub has blooms of red, pink, and white, and sometimes variegated colors, and it blooms in the early fall to the late spring. They grow well underneath pine trees, and they're a great understory plant. They do best in partial shade with some sun. Older plants will do better in full sun, but younger plants need to be in more shade. They like a well-drained soil, and they prefer an acid pH. You don't want to prune this shrub until after the blooms have fallen off. You don't want to prune any later than May, and you want to fertilize in March. The blooms set again in the summer to open up again for the late fall and early spring. These plants need a 2 to 3 inch mulch layer applied every year to protect the roots. The large blooms come in many different forms, such as anemone, peony, and rose forms, to name a few. And these would make a great centerpiece to bring indoors to share with your family and friends. The blooming possibilities of the camellia are endless. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.